Hi guys, how are you today? It's Richard here and with another hopefully helpful video. This video is for noobs, for those who don't know. So if you already know this, then you don't have to watch this video and get angry because you already know it. This is for some people, for noobs who don't know. Okay, so for noobs. All right. So I just made a new game on a different account. So the attack is still circle. So sorry, the light here is not that good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Here's my other phone. Yep, the attack is still circle. So we're gonna remedy that. Okay, just click the home button, go to the settings, which is there, the settings, and alright, so now you're going to this menu. Right, this one, yeah, that one, accessibility. And then you go to button assignments. That one. Change the controller button assignments. Well, this works with the PS4 controller, OG controller. So that is why you should not buy third-party or knockoff controllers. And first you need to click on this, check there, see the check, enable button assignments, and then customize button assignments. There you go. So you have all the options here if you want to change your button assignments. So take note, this is going to affect the entire PS4 system, not just in the game. Everything going outside of the home menu, and let's say going to the PS Store or whatever, or other apps. This affects the PS4 globally, and you should be aware of that if you're not aware of that. Okay, so just the normal attack button is circle on Genshin Impact, so that's it, circle. You're going to select it, and then now on the right corner there you see, depends on you, now you can remap to any button that you want. So if you're like me, prefer square to be attacked. Like I'm playing Honkai Impact now, and my attack is also square, so I also want Honkai Impact to be square, just like Genshin Impact. In my other games, Devil May Cry, my attack is square. Mega Man X, Rockman X, my attack is square. Zero slash is square. So that is why this is very important. And most players like me, like you and I, need this. Alright, so sorry about that. Select square. There you go, square. Square Enix. Alright, now it's square. You see the buttons have swapped. To complete the remap, confirm. Make sure you click on confirm there on the lower right. There, confirm. And now I think we're good. So let's go back to the game. Alright, let me test first. Alright, now it's square. Hold on, let me shed some light on the subject. See? Square. Square Enix. See? Okay, so let's try to find some enemies if we can. Also, that's the catch. So before it's square, so you can't activate that. So it's been swapped to circle. I know it's kind of a hassle, but not a deal breaker. You'll get used to it. But at least you don't use that more often than being on combat. Or at least on combat, you use square. So in order to interact with things, like pick up this one, I need to press circle, which can take some time to get used to because you're already used to pressing the square for interaction and circle for attack. Hold on, Paimon.
Climbing depletes stamina, and depleted stamina takes time to recover.
Circle for attack because the game does not let us remap, but we can get used to that. No problem. Okay, do we have enemies here? So to pick up this, I need to press circle again. No problem. In no time, you'll get used to it. Because muscle memory, playing Genshin Impact for like maybe 50 hours on my main account, but that account does not have look, and I made a new game because I want to try and see if I can get D-Look for free on a new account. I plan on spending for the Vulcan blessing whatever, but it's just an extra 2 wishes a month. No, 1.5 sort of half wishes a month. It's not really worth it. So still no enemies. No problem. I really wish we could skip these cutscenes. So here I press circle, but it didn't work, so I need to press square.
Ooh, province of the world?
No problem. It's gonna be muscle memory soon.
Seems alright. As much as they may want it, if we keep heading west, Mondstadt, Silver,
So not a deal breaker at all. Come on, just give me some enemies. There we go. So alright. Square button for attack. I'm ready for combat. Alright, so that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe and share the video to your friends who need the help. And stay tuned on my channel for more helpful tips on Genshin Impact and for other games. Well, have a great day.